Forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Well, the hot and humid weather are sparking up some showers and thunderstorms this evening. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 11 o'clock. Now down to the south, there are a few warnings in effect down towards the Wisconsin Dells area as this line of showers and storms continues to move off to the east. You see also this thin line that was right along the lakeshore. That was that lake breeze. So temperatures were in the lower 80s and even 70s. I mean, so much better than if you wanted to go farther inland and you're tapping into very muggy air and temperatures well into the 90s. Here's where the showers and thunderstorms are, stretching all the way from Marquette through Wausau down just east of La Crosse and eventually towards Dubuque. Now, the latest guidance is suggesting that as it gets closer towards Lake Michigan, as we go into the overnight hours, the intensity of the storms will start to weaken. But needless to say, we do have a slight risk of severe weather for the majority of the viewing area. Then you can see how it turns into a marginal risk. That's when the storms are going to move in towards Lake Michigan right around midnight or so. And that's after the sun sets, the storm should start to weaken in intensity. Here's what the Skycast is showing. Here we go at about 9 o'clock. So a lot of the storms start to fade away, but we still have the potential for additional showers and storms to continue to pop through during the overnight. But you see the majority by 1 o'clock, they're out of the area. Yeah, we could have a few isolated showers into the morning, but then we start to clear out. However, with the slight risk, we do have the potential for some hail and gusty winds, a very, very slim chance of a tornado. I think it's mostly just hail and gusty winds with this event. Then for tomorrow, as that cold front continues to move through, that severe weather risk continues to shift eastward, and once again we are under the risk of some strong storms. This time it looks like it'll be during the early into the late afternoon hours. 12:30, temperatures once again into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees, and then here comes the pop-up showers and thunderstorms that pass through the area. By late tomorrow evening, the cold front moves through, we clear out, and then it looks like by Monday it still will be warm and above average, but temperatures should be below that 90-degree mark. Right now, it is below, I should say, the lower 90s, winds out of the south and southwest, 14 miles per hour, sunset tonight at 8:41 p.m. Temperatures across the board, 91 in Mountain, 84 in Sister Bay, 90 in Sheboygan, and 91 in both Appleton and Oshkosh. You factor in these dew points. The big difference from the temperatures that we saw for the Memorial Day weekend compared to today is that during the Memorial Day weekend, we didn't see these muggy air mass. Today, very sticky, very humid, and that's making those feel like temperatures into the lower 100s out there. So it's almost like you're living in Florida. Now, as that cold front moves through, tomorrow still feeling those heat indices near 100 degrees. But then as we get towards Monday, that cold front moves through and it looks like we'll finally start to see a little bit of dry air in the area. 75 degrees overnight tonight, winds out of the southwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Strong storms are possible. And then once again tomorrow, temperatures a little cooler, expecting more cloud cover also. High of 87 degrees, winds out of the west and southwest, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Monday, 86, mostly sunny as well as on Tuesday. But then on Wednesday, we do have an isolated risk of a pop-up thunderstorm in the area. And that continues on Thursday with highs near 90 degrees both days. Friday and Saturday, temperatures cool back down into the lower 80s with more sunshine. So a couple days and all that 7-day forecast, Mo, is screaming above average temperatures.
Why can't you use that lightning, after 4th of July, not on the 4th of July?
I'm just the messenger, Mo. If only I had control knobs to control the weather.
Still blaming this guy. Still blaming this guy. Well, thanks, Gino. We'll still ahead.